Oh God, he's coming. He's coming. Oh Jesus. Ah! 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 Okay, get out. Enough for you. Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Get out! Get out! God damn it! Get out! Okay, okay. Get out! Here, go over there. Go to him.
All right.
He'll be easier to feed. He's not going to be a jerk.
Ow! He bit me! Ow! Ow! He took the whole fucking cup! Asshole! We gotta stay in our car. You fucking asshole! Fuck the zebra.
Look over here. Look over here.
Man, get the fuck out of here. I don't like these animals. They're mean. Okay, we have made it to our destination, Tennessee Safari Park. Angela just found out we're coming here. I told her we were going to the Hood in Memphis to do some prostituting, and she was all for that, but she has to settle for coming to a
I still
safari
need the bunny
park.
though.
So let's do it. We are enjoying a ride through Tennessee Safari Park here this afternoon. This is the afternoon the eclipse is going to happen, and we're going to enjoy the eclipse while we're here. We're going to try to find the walking part because we're not allowed out of our cars with all these goddamn emu and ostriches attacking you.
This one's drinking water right out of my hands. Here. Oh, look at you. You were bottle fed, weren't you? You could tell. Yeah, you're a bottle fed baby.
This place is crazy.
Please, please. All right. Go share. Go share. Go share. Get. We gotta share. Get. Fucker. Fine. Just eat it all. Eat it all. Eat it all. Come on. There you go. Ah! Hey! He just fucking put his horns on me. Oh, jeez. God damn it. Get that fuck out of here.
Get out of here. Getting attacked by the fucking animals. Let's go back to Bronx.
He is cool. Wow. Come here. You getting him? Oh, Jesus. Watch out.
Jeez.
Here comes another big horn guy. Here comes Mac Daddy.
Wildebeest crossing.
This is awesome. Move! Move, you prick! He didn't move!
Run over his llama ass.
To him? Oh my God. I'm so sorry, baby.
We got the lemur cage here. Peacocks. And we've got about an hour before the eclipse starts. Tennessee's Safari Park.
I just want to curl up and have a nap with you. Come here, I'm going to pretend I'm going to eat food. Look, I'm not going to give you any food. Look, I'm not going to give you any. Come here, let me touch you. Bitch. You're beautiful. Bye-bye.